Hi my dear students, good morning, welcome back to our English class. So my dear students, in the previous class we have discussed about the Heidi and Aunt Date and grandfather. Today we are going to discuss about a new person who is a Peter. Who is a Peter. So how Heidi and Peter were going to become friends, we shall see in the today's class. Okay, before going to the class, some questions here. In the dinner, what the grandfather and Heidi was eating? Yes, what they are eating? 2 bread slices, 2 lumps of cheese and a glass of goat's milk. Okay, now in what way they are going to become friends, we shall see in the today's class. Take your textbooks and open page number 40 here. Keep the finger where I am reading. That was truly delicious, said Heidi. So which one is the delicious food here? The bread, the cheese and a goat's milk. Here is it was a very delicious food to Heidi. She helped grandfather to clear the table and do the dishes. So in what way she helped to grandfather? She helped the grandfather to clean the table where they have eaten, and also she is washing the dishes. It was beginning to get dark, so it is time to get dark now. They sat outside and watched the sunset. So when the sun is going to set, they went out and they are sitting. Where they are sitting? Out of the house, and they are looking at the sunset. Heidi saw a boy coming down the mountains with his goats. His name was Peter. So to whom Heidi is seeing? Heidi saw a boy. What's the name of that boy? Peter. What's the name of that boy? Peter. So from where that boy is coming? From the down of the mountains with the goats. Peter the goatherd looked after grandfather's goats, little swan and little bear. So when Peter is coming, along with him, what the animals are coming? Goats, a swan and a small bear. What's the animals? Goats, a small bear and a swan. Then one was pure white and the other brown. So one is very pure white and another is brown colored. Where does Peter take the goats? Asked Heidi. So Heidi is asking to the grandfather, where do all these animals taken by? So who will take to these animals? For which place they are going to take? Who is asking this one? Heidi asking to the grandfather. He takes them to the mountains so that they can eat fresh grass, replied grandfather. So what the grandfather is saying? He takes to the mountains where the fresh grass is there. There the Peter will take these animals. Why? Because to eat the fresh grass. Who replied this one? Grandfather replied to Heidi. Can I go with him tomorrow? Who is asking this? Can I go him with tomorrow? Heidi is asking to grandfather. Then the mountains look beautiful. I love the fresh air. I want to spend the day with little swan and little bear. So Heidi wants to spend the time near the mountains along with the small bear and swan. She is very excited to see the mountains area. And it's get late, said grandfather. Good night, Heidi, and sleep well. So it was totally became dark, and grandfather is wishing to the Heidi that sleep soon and sleep well. And before we sleeping, how we wish to the parents? Good night, mom. In that way only, here grandfather also wishing to the Heidi. Good night, sleep well. Then Heidi fell asleep, dreaming of the mountains covered with fresh grass and beautiful flowers. So when Heidi is sleeping, then what she has dreamed? She dreamed a very beautiful place. Where it is? It is near the mountains. It is totally the mountains was covered with flowers and fresh grass. She loved nature. So what she loved? She loved the nature. She loved being outdoors. So always she don't want to sit inside. So she always want to be outdoors. She always want to go outside. She knew she would love the birds and the trees, the fields and the mountains. As well as she loves birds, fields and trees and mountains. She knew she would be happy here with grandfather. At last, after coming Heidi to the grandfather's house, now she is thinking that here very beautiful nature is there, here very fresh air is there, and what is there? Still, she dreaming a very beautiful nature which was filled with a fresh grass and a beautiful flowers, and she also likes to play with birds, trees, and the location where the new house, the grandfather's house is there. Now Heidi is decided to stay near grandfather only. Now she is very comfortable there. Why? Because she loved the nature where she is living. So this is the lesson. Now who written this lesson? Johanna Spyri. Who is the writer of this lesson? Johanna Spyri. So this is the lesson. Have you understood the lesson or not? I hope everyone. So now tell me, who is the Peter? Yes, Peter is a goather. Goather is nothing but who takes the goats to the eat the fresh grasses. So now what Heidi liked there? Yes, she loved, not liked, she loved the birds, trees, fields and beautiful mountains. Now, what dream Heidi has been when she fell asleep? Yes, what dream? She is dreaming that a beautiful nature and a beautiful mountains where the fresh grass and fresh air is there, and the mountains were full with beautiful flowers. And do grandfather became friend with Heidi or not? Yes, grandfather and Heidi were both are friends now. And what about the Peter? Do she talk to the Peter or not? Yes, they became a good friends. Now, how many types of animals do Peter take to the mountains? 3 types of. What was that? Goats, bear, a small bear, and a swan. Why he will take the animals to the mountain area? Because to feed them with a fresh grass. So this is the lesson. Okay, my dear students. So now what you had to do? Yes, you had to read the story for 2 times, and you had to underline the hard words, and also you had to copy the hard words into your notebook. So tomorrow in the next class we shall go from the bitwise, grammar bits, vocabulary, true or false, so many bits are there. So we shall see in the next class. So my dear students, till then complete your work and be happy. Bye bye.